Before this video starts, I want you to click the subscribe button. If it's going red, please subscribe this. And that. And yeah, I will try my best to make daily videos. And yeah, enjoy today's video. A lot of gacha. Okay, this is cool. I see Megan, and yeah, Ocean pets are actually coming. It's back to the main video. My god, back to the main video. This is my friend Thunder, and can you please subscribe to my channel and Thunder's channel XX41XX Roblox. And yeah, look at this one, trading with Uchen Rebus, the sub to her channel Nazusna. And yeah, he actually got 33 views. I'm pretty surprised. Has the best in a game, dual game, dual and it's anime. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, he's actually a preteen, and yeah, please subscribe. I bet you. Yeah. If you don't really wanna hear all of this, skip to 1 minute and 12. We will be reacting to a funny kitten machine, and yeah, and we will be do slime, and we will do try not to laugh and try not to say wow challenge in the same time. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, no way, these are the one. Oh my god, that's so cute. But I don't hear any music. Can I? Oh yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute. Aww. But I can't laugh. Okay, wait. This is not funny. This is cute. That's unfair. Okay, let's start this thing. Okay, let's start this. Okay. I can't say wow. Oh. This. Oh, what? I didn't say that. I didn't. Oh my god. This is actually pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh. Oh my god. So yeah, I have 3 lives, by the way. Even you guys have 3 lives. It just turned green. Oh my god, that's so cool. I didn't say wow. I say it. Well, 5 skills. Wow. Did I seriously? I got only 1 life. No way. Oh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. That's per goal. No way. Wow. I'm insane. I'm not even joking. I didn't mean to. Oh, this is just so hard. Why did I even? Oh. It's okay. Who cares? I lost. I lost and I'm dead. Ooh. Now I can say wow. Yay. These videos are actually so satisfying. And these in slime, these are more like, I don't know, but that's so satisfying. Oh. And just like that. Oh, okay. Well, that's like all, and that's just like. Okay, to the next one. This is actually pretty cool. Like this. I couldn't find one. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my channel videos, and I just wanna say, oh my god, I just wanna say thank you so much. We hit 9883. If we hit 10,000, wow, I don't even care about anything. Oh my god. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Remember to be sweet, be awesome, and to each other. Bye. Love you all, guys. And yeah. Oh yeah, I reached. Bye. I'm so weird.